Hey guys, how you doing? If you're looking for something simple and delicious, but nevertheless easy, you gotta make our garlic chicken. It is so good. So let me show you how to do it right after this. Okay, I'm going to begin here, guys, with half a cup of breadcrumbs. Now, I'm using the Italian. I just like the seasoning, but you can use panko or whatever you have on hand. A quarter cup of parmesan. Some salt. And this is about, I'd say half a teaspoon. And, of course, some ground black pepper. And I'm going to be fairly generous with this. Take my handy dandy whisk and just mix this until it's well combined. I just love the smell of that Parmesan. Next up, I'm going to add a quarter cup of olive oil, good old olive oil, to a pan over low heat. Add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Yummy garlic. And I'm just going to stir this and heat it through for about 2 minutes. And what this does is create a bomb of flavor. It's just absolutely fantastic. Alright, now that garlic is infused into the olive oil and it smells absolutely incredible, I'm just going to kill the heat. Grab up my chicken, and this is 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, or 2 actually, that I've cut in half. And just roll it around in that wonderful oil and garlic. And you want this chicken completely coated with the olive oil and the garlic. Oh my goodness, this is going to be good. And we haven't even begun. Now I'm going to dredge that chicken into the breadcrumb mixture and just make sure it's completely coated. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside on a baking tray. Line with some aluminum foil. Now I've given this a coat of baking spray just to make sure it doesn't stick. And I had a bit of garlic left in the pan, so I'm just going to drizzle this over the chicken. You know the old saying, waste not, want not. And I'm going to slip this into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, they smell absolutely delicious and they're done perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. Just look at that garlic. Like I say, I'm obsessed with garlic. And there you have it, guys. Our simple and easy, but nevertheless delicious garlic chicken. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this and see what we've got. Guys, this is so good. That garlic just shines through the Italian seasoning. The Parmesan, the chicken is juicy, just incredible. You gotta make this. As usual, for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and stay safe.